This is Rex. He was my grand cat, and he taught me how to relax. Now for the cooking. Coming up is the first of the tasty things that look good. This is an artichoke, trimmed and washed and cooked in boiling water with a little salt for half an hour. Poke the base with a knife to see if it's soft and then drain off the water. To eat the artichoke, you need to suck the flesh from each of the leaves, and you start with the green ones on the outside and then go to the purple ones. In the centre, you'll see the heart with some salad underneath it and on top and some mustardy green vinaigrette. What you can't see in the finished dish is these hairy bits which I've cut out from the middle, which is called the choke. And now all you've got is the lovely plate. Now for some meringues. I love playing with food, and what I've done is I've piped out the sugar and egg white mixture into numbers. It's just for fun. Now that was easy. I wanted to make rainbow meringues like these ones I'd seen in a shop. So I tried it and painted the uncooked mixture, but when they came out of the oven, they'd all gone completely white. So what I recommend is you keep to the shop ones. This was a spinach and cheese flan, but what I've done is this. Using a round cutter, I've made several rounds which are great to serve with drinks. This is an ice bowl made from flowers and water. If you like these ideas, you can now get 36 more, including 11 recipes from a slideshow I made 1 year ago. All you need to do is look at the picture that's coming up and click on it, and it'll take you straight there.